In this quick guide, I'll walk you through creating a Discord invite link that never expires. Start by clicking your server name at the top of the channel list to open the server drop-down menu. A menu appears with several server management options. From that menu, click Invite to Server to open the Invite Friends modal. Click Edit Invite Link at the bottom of that window to open the Server Invite Link Settings panel. The panel displays customization options for your server invite link. In that panel, you'll see an Expire After drop-down. Click it and select Never from the options. By default, invite links expire after a set time, so choosing Never makes your link permanent. Once you've set that, click Generate a new link to create your permanent invite. Your new invite link appears in the box above. Click Copy to copy it to your clipboard. The button text changes to Copied to confirm the link is ready to share. If you need to change the link settings later, just follow the same steps. Open the server menu, click Invite to Server, then edit Invite Link to adjust the expiry or usage limits. Keep in mind that anyone with this link can join your server at any time since it never expires, so only share it with people or communities you trust. If you ever want to revoke the link, you can generate a new one from the same settings panel and the old link will stop working. And that's how to create a permanent invite link on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.